Hello everyone, my name is Lung Zahan. I'm come from class Discover 5X. Today I will talk about my read and tell exercise. 1. On the move. Why do animals migrate? Many places are not good for animals to live in all year long. The places are sometimes too cold or hot or not good for baby animals. Sometimes there's not enough food. Animals have to move away for part of the year or for part of their lives. They migrate to find food, water, and a safe place to live or breed. Sometimes all the animals are in a species migrate. This is called complete migration. If only some animals in a species migrate, it's called partial migration. Um, when to go? Animals that migrate are called migrants. Many migrants leave their home at the same time every year. They reach the end of their journey at the same time too. So, how do they know when it's time to live? Animals see things in the world around them that tell them to live. The days get longer or shorter, or the weather gets hotter or colder, or there's less food to eat. Scientists think that when migrants see that these things are changing, their bodies make special chemicals called hormones. The hormones make animal eat lots of food so that it has enough energy for its journey. Finding their way. Animals are very good at finding their way. Some use landmarks or important places that they can see, for example, mountains and coast. Uh, Others use the sun during the day or the moon and stars at night. Some animals use smells to help them to find their way. Scientists think that some animals can even feel Earth's magnetic field and use it to tell them where they are. It's like the animal have a compass inside. Dangers. Migrating is often dangerous. The journey is very tiring for animals, and they sometimes find it difficult to get food and water. They are in danger from bad weather and predators, um, or the animals that want to kill and eat them. There are many dangers, but these do not stop migrants. They have to make long journeys to find safe place to breed and a home with lots of food. Move to part 8. We have changing migrations. Problems for migrants. Many migrants like tuna, cod, birds, and sea turtles are in danger from too much fishing or hunting. Roads, power lines, and wind turbines stop other animals from migrating. Also, people damage the habitats of many migrants when they cut down trees, take out ponds, build dams across rivers, or building fences around land. Pollution damages habitats too. The climate is changing. Earth is getting too warm that because our vehicles, factories, and power stations are making too many gases like carbon dioxide. The climate is changing, So there are more storms, and deserts are getting bigger. There's less ice on polar oceans, and ocean currents are changing. Journeys are now more dangerous for migrants, for animals to reach the right place at the right time for feeding and breeding. Scientists think that many animal species will stop migrating or they will migrate to new places because the climate is changing. Polar bears in danger. Polar bears live on the ice in the Arctic in winter. Here they can hunt seals, their main food. In summer, there's not enough ice for hunting, so polar bears migrate south to the land. Because the climate is changing, there's now less ice on the ocean, and the ice is melting earlier in spring. So in winter, the bears have less time on the ice for catching seals. Also, it's sometimes difficult for the bears to migrate to land because there's less ice to walk on and they often have to swim too far across the ocean. Um, how can we help? Scientists are now putting special markers on some migrants. All these markers help scientists to see where the animals are migrating and how their journeys are changing. Scientists hope that if they learn more about migrants, they can help to save their habitats. That's the end of my exercise. Thank you for listening and goodbye.